bad was this storm? Yep. Kind of fell. A tree broke off and landed on my car from my neighbors. It was kind of like in our yard and in their yard. But yeah, it's pretty bad. The hood's definitely dented. The windshield's cracked. Let's see. Oh god. Vent's broken. This car's alright actually. Yeah. It's like a huge ass tree sitting on my SUV. So yeah, and this is on Monday. I think like 4 p.m., 5 p.m. So the neck of the storm should hit tonight at 8. This is not a joke. You can just see the wind. Crap. So hurricane. Oh shit, broke my house too. Look at that. My weather guards are leaking like crazy. But yep. Try to get in my house, my front porch. No, I don't think the driver's side mirror is broken though. So the hood and the windshield, most of the damage is actually not that bad from what I can tell. But yeah, this is what happened.
So how bad was Hurricane Sandy? You know, just a couple of fallen fences, fallen tree on my car, or on my dad's car, and another broken fence, I believe. Branch lodged on top of my roof. Apparently like 26 people in the US died from this hurricane. About like 91 people worldwide. Caribbean. It's like the worst storm to hit the United States. Something like that. I mean, hit New York. And this car stopped, and my mirror is way too high for this shit right now. Where all these cars stopped? Holy crap, that's a line for the gas station? Holy shit. Not expect that. That line back there was all for the gas station. Look at the 7-Eleven, it's packed. I've never seen it before like this. I've never seen this parking lot packed either. I had 2 days off from college, which is awesome. But you can just see a whole like this is like Tuesday now, like in the afternoon, like 3 p.m. So like I bet they were cleaned up a lot of stuff. But you can just see like before the roads were clear, you can just see leaves were everywhere on the road. My power did go out last night, but only for like an hour. More fallen tree branches. Because I remember after the last storm passed last year, they cut down a lot of trees that were covering the power line. So it wouldn't like cause major outages. And actually my next door neighbors lost all their power because they get their power from a separate line. And I was lucky that I didn't lose any power. I'm the only guy on a bike right now. It's pretty awesome. More fallen trees. Another line at a gas station. Like, why did you guys fill up before the storm came? Like everyone else in the world did? Don't understand. More fallen trees. I guess they really cleared up the roads before it came out. Truck clearing out more trees, branches. I think like there's about 7.1 million people without power right now. Really sucks. It just shows how lucky I got that I could be riding around and not like have to worry. Sucks for the people that lost their lives. Heard some people got flooded in and drowned, which really sucks. There's no power over here, obviously, because the street lights are out. And we'll just go slowly. I feel like I'm committing a sin by riding my bike right now. People are recovering from this. It was actually really bad. Not gonna lie. I remember last night my house was shaking. That's how strong the winds were. Still no lights over here. Holy shit, that was a big tree that just fell. I was not paying attention. Oh, look at that. It just ripped out of the ground. Damn. Oh, a lot of these trees just like fell out of like, just from their roots just got ripped out of the ground. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Cause there ain't no lights. Ain't no lights. I know if I go this way I can make a U-turn around, but ain't no lights. Ain't no cameras around here either. Right? No cameras. Another tree that's been ripped out of the ground. Ooh, open. Oh, they actually put up wood boards. So this place. Damn. the landscaper whoever made this place can be pissed off. That was fun. That was fun. Even after a hurricane, that was fun.